Yeah.
Can you make it go the other way now without?
It's a pretty good walking pace.
How far can you get before it stops? Is that how far it goes?
Yeah, about. But if you get close. There's a.
How many feet is that, Ann? Could you measure with the?
It was back here. Oh.
Is it still going?
Still going. Okay, it's good.
Okay, count from there.
It's on the hill. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
That's not bad. All right. Can you get it to come back? Or do you gotta give it a nudge? Oh, here it comes.
It's the
rubber band.
Oh, the rubber band fell off. Yeah, I got it. Alright, now try.
Maybe give it a little nudge.
There.
Okay, so and Ava, why don't you kind of explain what the parts are and where they came from?
This came from a different car.
Like a store-bought car, right?
Yeah.
And what really is it only? It's just a what?
It's just a receiver.
Okay.
And
what's this? It's a remote control, but what's that called? What's the opposite of receiving?
Transmitter.
Yeah, so that's just transmitter and that's a receiver. And you have some, what else do you have underneath there?
the batteries are under there.
Okay, and the motor. And how's it hooked? What's hooked to what?
The motor's hooked to this side.
Okay.
And the batteries are hooked to the receiver.
And what was the tricky thing about getting this out of the car?
You had to figure out how to take it out, because if you...
And before we took it out, what did we do?
We tested to see if the thing would work.
We used
batteries.
the external batteries to see if we can get the original car to work. That was the trick, because there's a lot of wires flying around.
And we had to make sure we didn't mess up any of the wires when we took it out.
Yeah, and you have to keep them straight kind of as you go. Okay, well, let's just drive it away, and that'll be a good dramatic ending when we make that drive. That's awesome. You guys did a great job.